We're going to continue to follow the weather situation. Meantime, a Valley mother convicted of having her 4-year-old son murdered is free tonight.
Debra Milke was convicted 24 years ago. Her conviction recently overturned by the Court of Appeals.
And ABC 15's Mary Ellen Resendez is live in the newsroom with the big question of whether Milke will ever see the inside of a prison cell again.
So, Mary Ellen, what are attorneys saying about that?
You know, Katie and Steve, it all depends on who you speak with. County Attorney Bill Montgomery plans to move forward with the retrial of Debra Milke for the murder of her 4-year-old son at the end of this month. But defense experts say he's got an uphill battle, especially with a sketchy key witness.
2 people know what happened in that interrogation room, Detective Saldate and Debra Milke.
Jurors in the retrial will have to decide who to believe in a classic he said, she said case. She is Debra Milke, now free after 24 years in prison for plotting the murder of her 4-year-old son. He is a retired Phoenix police detective, Armando Saldati, who claims Milke confessed to him but never recorded it, so there's no evidence.
It demonstrates how much weight the average person who's serving on jury duty gives to the statements of a police officer.
But defense expert Russ Richelsoff says a conviction in 2013 won't be so easy. Prosecutors could face what attorneys call the CSI effect. Jurors now demand more physical evidence.
They expect it because, you know, popular TV shows like Law and Order and CSI have created those expectations in the public.
Plus, in 1990, jurors weren't told about Detective Saldati's history of misconduct. According to court papers, it ranges from lying under oath to rights violations. Jurors in 2013 will be told, which has attorneys believing Milke may never see a jail cell again.
And my hope would be that based on that, they would find her not guilty.
Now, at a hearing later this month, the judge will decide whether or not Detective Saldati's testimony will be allowed in the retrial. And even if it is, Saldati himself may decide to plead the 5th, mainly because of a 9th Circuit Court order into a civil rights investigation surrounding him.
Yeah, a lot riding on that one witness there. Thanks, Mary Ellen.